If you're watching this, it's because you're awesome, and you're about to learn something that makes you even more awesome. Oh, people, look, check it out. This is a good Monday morning. See the Tubebuddy on the Studio Beta page? Yes, finally, I get to use my Tubebuddy on Studio Beta. I've been having to switch back to the classic studio to have all my Tubebuddy stuff. And now look at all these Tubebuddy tools. Sitting up here, I'm going to be exploring this for a while. I'm spending a few hours playing with Tubebuddy on Studio Beta. I'm going to let y'all know what all's going on with this, but hey, for right now, be aware Tubebuddy is on Studio Beta now. So if you already have Tubebuddy, get on your beta and check it out and see what you can come up with. If you don't have Tubebuddy, go to the description, click my link. You can get a free version to start there. There's so much that Tubebuddy will help you with. Tags, the thumbnails. Made this thumbnail with Tubebuddy, made this thumbnail with Tubebuddy, made that thumbnail with Tubebuddy. I've made all the tags for all these videos with Tubebuddy. There's a whole huge, and look, there's my little Tubebuddy drop down. Look, let's click on this and see what it does. Ah, there's my Tubebuddy dashboard, all my videos, live streaming tools, my playlists where I can update and change and edit my playlists. See all my subscribers, my analytics. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be playing with this for a while. I'm gonna be spending some time on this. Videos on how to use Tubebuddy. I have some videos on my page too on how to use Tubebuddy for this and that. Look, here's all these other Tubebuddy tools.
Hi, we're so glad you're here at Sane Enterprises.
This is Carol Sane.
And this is Victor Sane. Isn't he adorable?
We're here to help you and the rest of the Sane community grow.
And we're gonna have fun helping you celebrate your victories with the whole community.
Woohoo!
I guess by now you've noticed we're not just another average self-improvement channel.
We're a community.
And how do they join this community?
That's easy. There's this red button right there.
And then what happens?
It turns green.
Green means go!
Oh, and they gotta hit the bell. Don't forget, they gotta hit the bell.
Before you go,
Hit that bell.
ding ding ding.